You are not bullish enough on these blue chips. It's your boy Crypto Million back with another one. I'm about to give you guys the alpha, a simple strategy that we've been utilizing across the board with blue chip cryptocurrencies. And this is why you guys are not bullish enough on these blue chips. All right. Now I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of editing into the video. I'm gonna get straight into it. All right. And this is a perfect example right here. This is H bar, right? We know what H bar is with it. And again, I'm looking specifically from a momentum standpoint, guys. Momentum. I'm not about to focus on the utility or none of that in this video. I'm giving you a simple strategy that we've been utilizing that's winning right now. Okay. Point blank. So Adara got up out this Gossen channel, right? You can go to the indicator and type in GAU. All right, Gossen channel DW posts up, right? Put it on the weekly, right? Make sure you got it on the weekly. You can go into trading view. None of this is I'm not paying for none of this, right? I'm just simply using a momentum indicator and common sense. All right. Hedera got up out that Gossen channel at about 63 days ago, right? Dipped back in the blue chip, dipped back in, excuse me, as a blue chip, dipped back in what we call the quicksand, and then took its next leg up, as you can see right here. It took about 63 days until it actually turned green, right? So Hedera is bullish. I expect if we continue to have bullish momentum, right? You can see here when Solana turned green on the Gossen channel, the very, very, very violent move that it made from there, right? The move hadn't even started. Most people probably thought it was a fake out because they have bear market. They're traumatized from the bear market. I get it. I sometimes I was traumatized, but you can see this explosive move from Solana. The Gossen channel turned green. All right, it took 49 days for the Gossen channel to turn green for Solana. All right, so let's go into something where the Gossen channel isn't green, where you still have a chance, right? I don't think you guys are bullish enough on these blue chips. Crypto.com, right? They literally have crypto.com arena. You can see Crow being sported across the entire sports entertainment ecosystem, right? It's one of the best exchanges in the States. I was just looking at the new UI, the updated, where they got option trading and strike this. They got a whole bunch of new stuff that I didn't even see. And I use my crypto.com card, right? Because I'm a big fan of the card. It's really, really easy to use, right? Um, so I'm very bullish on Crow. I think Crow has perfect. It has set up perfect marketing. I think it's the top tier exchange if you living in the states, and I believe it's about to be a massive project. Now, specifically speaking from a momentum standpoint, you can see here it has not turned green yet. So this is just the beginning of the move. So you're not bullish enough on Crow. We just looked at Solana. I think there's an opportunity here where we start to see if Crow breaks somewhere between 20 cent. Crow starts to put in its parabolic move to the upside, right? Another project that I would keep an eye on, right? That's needed in crypto, right? This is one of those projects like Chainlink. Like we need Quant, right? Quant makes crypto way more easier, right? As far as communication between chains. Similar to why we need Chainlink, right? You can see here, Quant hasn't even broken out of the Gossen channel. This is another blue chip that I don't think you guys are bullish enough. I don't think you guys are bullish enough. Also, we're starting the momentum down here with the stock RSI, and it's full freaking momentum, right? So I can assume if I was to front run this trade, just like we've seen from Solana and H bar, that eventually it's going to break above this Gaussian channel and eventually it will turn green in the next 40 to 60 days, right? We're seeing blue chips across the board do this. So Quant is another one where you still have an opportunity and it's not like blasting up out of here like something like Jasmy, for instance, right? Jasmy, if you look at Jasmy, I mean, it's out of there. It's finally building support somewhere here. But you see this, once it breaks up out of there, and convincingly, the weekly candles look like this God green candles, right? So you still have an opportunity with Crow. I believe you still have an opportunity with Quant, right? Another one that I really, really like that I think that you still have an opportunity with, let me see here. Um, yeah, I mean, if you're a fan of XRP, XRP got rejected from its Gaussian channel move. So this is an example where it can actually get rejected, come back into the quicksand. If it gets rejected, comes back into the quicksand, it needs to hold the medium, right? It's still bullish. The Gaussian channel is green. So you're not late to XRP, and XRP also on the weekly is putting in a pretty massive double bottom right here in your face, right? Double bottom. So I think you have a chance here also with XRP prepared to make a move. Now, for transparency with XRP, this is a bigger type of market cap. So you're going to, of course, need to put your initial investment can't be something small if you unless you're holding for the next 10 to 15 years. Okay, but if you're trying to do this bear market, of course you're gonna have to put you get what I'm saying. All right, I don't want to put it out there like that, but hey, I'm not gonna be that guy that's telling you, hey, you can get rich from putting $100 into XRP. The market cap is pretty big, right? It is pretty big. Do I have one more that can I give you guys one more that I like? I think Tectonic is another one that I watch. Very, very popular cryptocurrency. Not in the blue chips, okay? But the social engagement is there. Um, I think a lot of people are big on Cosmos. Let's see what Cosmos is doing, right? Okay, so yeah, you still have a chance with Cosmos. This is a perfect example. Now, I would watch this one because we're a little bit more further in the development of the stock RSI to its overbought section. And you can see here, the bears have been pushing this down. But this is one where I believe you still have opportunity, right? Opportunity. How is Dot doing? I know a lot of people are very, very bullish on Dot. Can we see? Okay, so yeah, Dot is a little bit more bullish. And I would assume here from Dot that eventually this is about to turn green because you can see here Dot is a little bit more further in its development than Cosmos. So I would say Cosmos, you have a little bit more potential opposed to something like Dot that's already well above the Gaussian channel. So this is what I'm looking at. It's not a 99% move, but it's a very, very easy move, an easy strategy when we're in a bull market. Okay, we're in a bull market. So when you're in a bull market, you can pull off certain things. You can clearly see a massive uptrend from the bottom here for Dot, right? That's what you want to see. And like we've seen from Solana, most likely this is going to eventually turn green and we'll continue to see Dot move up to the upside. So you can apply this to any OG token, all right? You can even, you can see here with ETH, right? We can, we can use ETH for example, right? You can see ETH, it's bullish, right? It's in this move, right? You can Bitcoin also, it's in its glory. All right, so guys, this is the strategy that we've been utilizing for the last month or so, and it's been quite well. You guys, let me know what you think. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.